on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making Cajun chicken Alfredo Orzo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 pound of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 1.5 cups of dry orzo pasta, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/2 of a small onion diced, 2 tablespoons of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning, and you want to divide it, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to divide it, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and that's optional. To our 1 pound of chicken breast, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning. We're just going to go in and mix it until all the pieces are well coated. Now to a heated skillet, you want your heat to be on medium. I'm going to add in my tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Next, you want to add in 1 tablespoon of butter, and you want to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to begin to add in our pieces of chicken. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. We'll be cooking them in batches. You want to cook your chicken for 5 minutes on each side until they're cooked all the way through. You want them to be nice and golden. Now you want to remove your chicken, and we're going to put our second batch in. Hey guys, our second batch of chicken is done, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. Now in the same pan, we're going to add our other tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that melt. We're going to add in our onion. We're going to saute that for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in our minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now you want to add in your orzo. You're going to mix that up until it's well combined. And you want to constantly stir for 1 to 2 minutes. You want to lightly toast it. After the 2 minutes, we're going to add in our chicken broth. We're also going to add in our other tablespoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. We're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to lower your heat to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. You want to stir occasionally. We're going to place our lid on top. Okay guys, after 12 minutes, your orzo pasta should be al dente. And as you can see, most of your liquid is absorbed. So we're going to go ahead and add our heavy cream and our Parmesan cheese. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Next, we're going to add in our smoked paprika, our ground black pepper. Now remember, your red pepper flakes is optional. You can go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. And you want your cheese to be melted. Okay guys, you want your sauce to be smooth and creamy. And guys, taste your food first before you add in the adobo or whatever seasoning that you're going to add in. You want to make sure it's not going to be too salty. Okay guys, next you're going to go ahead and add in your chicken. You want to go ahead and mix it up so it's well combined. And you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our one pan Cajun chicken Alfredo Orzo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?